Welcome to this program, the second part of the application of spectra and organic synthesis. Question number 31. The reaction, which is a combination of Michael addition and a subsequent intramolecular aldol condensation, is known as. The correct answer is C. Robinson annulation. Question number 32. Choose the correct product for the following reaction. Here, the alcohol is treated with the oxyl chloride in the presence of TMSO and Et3N. It is an example for Swan oxidation. The OH group is converted into ketone. You will get a product A. Ketone is the product. The correct answer is A for this question. Question number 33. Choose the wrong statement from the following regarding Swan oxidation. A. Dimethyl sulfoxide and oxyl chloride COCl2 are used as the oxidizing agent in this reaction. It is correct. Oxidation of primary alcohol gives an aldehyde and secondary alcohol gives an ketone. It is also correct. Tertiary alcohol can be oxidized to aldehyde and ketone. It is wrong. C is the wrong statement. And D. The cycloalcohol is converted into cyclohexone. It is also correct. Therefore, the wrong statement for this equation is C. The correct statement is tertiary alcohol cannot be oxidized into aldehyde and ketone. The correct answer is C. Question number 4. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding Stoke-Enamine reaction. 1. When enamines are treated with the alkyl halide, an alkylation occurs and followed by hydrolysis of the imine salt gives a ketone. It is correct. 2. It is an alkylation of ketone at the alpha position. Also correct. 3. It is exclusively for monoalkylation of ketone. 1, 2, 3 are correct. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. In option 4, alkylation occurs at the highly substituted side of the original ketone, and it is wrong. For the wrong statement, the correct statement is alkylation occurs at less substituted side of the original ketone. That is the correct statement for the fourth one. Question number 35. Identify the most probable product in the given reaction. It is an example for Wittig reaction. Here Wittig reagent is used. The O group O is replaced by COOMa. You can expect product A and B. A is a trans product, B is a cis product. The trans product is more stable than cis. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A. Question number 36. Product of the following reaction. Naphthalene in the presence of liquid ammonia and ethanol, it gives a product B. The correct answer is B. It is an example for Pritch reduction. Question number 37. Choose the correct match for the following. A. Raney equal equation 1. B. Gilmore reagent equation 2. C. Pritch reduction equation 3. The fourth statement equation NBS, it is wrong. Therefore, the correct answer for this equation for this question is A. 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. For the fourth one, NBS, cyclohexene is converted into benzene. It is explained in the equation. For the fourth equation, NBS, the correct equation is cyclohexene. With NBS alkyl potash, it gives cyclohexadiene, which is on treated with NBS and alkyl potash, you will give benzene. Therefore, the reverse reaction is correct. The given reaction 4 is wrong. The reverse reaction is correct. The correct option for the question number 37 is A. Match the following. Here The correct answer is given in the next slide. You just column 1, it gives different type of reaction, name of the reaction. Column 2, the equation is given. You match the list 1 with the list 2 and find out the correct match. The next slide, the correct match is given. The correct answer for this question is C. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the correct answer. You go through the previous slide and check this answer. Question number 39. Cyclohexanone is treated with unsaturated ketone. It gives unsaturated cyclohexanone, and this is an example of Robinson annulation. The correct answer is D for this equation. The correct answer is D. Number 40. Identify the product of the following reaction. Here it is an example of heating reaction. You have to keep the important key points in your mind. The C double bond O, the O is replaced by CH2. From that, the option A is correct for this equation. The correct answer is A. 41. In the mass spectroscopy, the intermediate benzene gives a peak at MAE. The correct option is B, 76. For benzene intermediate, the molecular formula is C6H4 plus, and its MAE ratio is 76. 6 carbon, 6 into 12, 72, plus 4 hydrogen, 4, 76. The correct answer is B. 42. The number of HNMR signal for the following compound. If we consider the compound A, all the protons are equivalent. HA protons. All the protons are equivalent. It gives only one signal. In compound B, there are 3 types of protons, A, B and C. Therefore, the compound B gives 3 signals. In the case of C, it consists of 4 different height of proton. A is the methyl proton, and another one is B, the another one is C, the third one is D. Therefore, the compound gives 4 signals. And the fourth one is, it consists of 3 different type of hydrogen nucleus. Methyl proton 1, H2 proton, H3 proton. Therefore, the compound 4 gives 3 signals. Therefore, the correct answer is C. 1, 3, 4 and 3. Question number. The structure corresponding to the following NMR data of a compound with a molecular formula C5H10O2 in HNMR 1.9 delta for 9H, 10.1 delta for broad H. After reading that problem, one important point is, if you have 9H mean, it may be 3 methyl group, that is a tertiary butyl group. The third one is, if you get a 10.1 delta, that indicates the presence of carboxylic group. Now come to the problem. The double bond equivalent for this compound is number of carbon 5 plus 1 minus number of hydrogen 10 by 2, that will be equal to 1. That is, only one double bond is present in the compound. The signal at 1.9 delta 9H shows the presence of CCH3 thrice group, and a broad signal at 10.1 delta for 1H indicates the presence of COH group. Therefore, the correct answer is C. The mass spectrum of orthonitotoluene shows a peak at MPe 120 followed by another peak MPe 92. The fragments eliminated are. Here, first we have to calculate the molecular ion peak. For orthonitrotoluene, the MPE molecular ion peak is MPE 1 by 37. You will get a peak at 1 by MPE 137 indicates the presence of molecular ion peak. From that, the OH group is removed, that is molecular mass 17 is removed. You will get a peak at MPE 120. Therefore, the OH radical is removed from the molecular ion peak. In the second case, from MPE 122, CO is removed, 28 is removed, you will get a peak at MPE 92. Therefore, the CO is removed from the MPE 120 peak, you will get a peak at MPE 92. Therefore, the option A, OH radical and CO are removed from the molecular ion peak. The correct answer is A. Choose the correct product in the following reaction. Here, the cyclohexones is treated with a lithium COCH3 twice. It gives a product C. That is, the correct answer for this reaction is C, because it gives a trans product which is more stable. Question number 46. Adjust a suitable reagent for the following reaction. For this reaction, CO group is converted into CHOH group. Therefore, the correct reagent is A, NaPH4 ETOH. That is the correct answer for this problem. In the mass spectrum of butanol, the MR ion peak at MPE, it gives MR ion peak is McClefty rearrangement peak. The butanol undergo McClefty rearrangement, it gives MPE 44. The important condition is that the compound should contain a gamma hydrogen. The gamma hydrogen undergo McClefty rearrangement and it gives peak at MPE 44. It is explained in the equation. Therefore, the correct answer for this equation is C. Arrange the following compound in the order of increasing wave number and absorption due to C double bond T stretching. Here, the very important is the absorption vibrational of carbonyl group absorption increases as the size of the ring decreases. The compound 2 has a small angle, for that the vibrational frequency is high. Then the next compound is 3, the next compound is 4, and next compound is 1. In increasing order, 1 is less than 4, which is less than 3, and 3 is less than 2. Option A is correct. Here the key point is the carbonyl absorption frequency increases as the size of the ring decreases. Option C, A is correct. But it is a very interesting problem using UV, IR and NMR data. A compound has the molecular formula C4H8O. The UV spectrum shows a very weak absorption at lambda max 295 nanometer, and the IR spectrum has a strong band at 1715 cm per -1. The HNMR spectrum shows 2.4 delta quartet for 2H, 2.9 delta singlet for 3H, and 1.0 delta triplet for 3H. The compound is. First we have to calculate the double bond equivalent. DPE will be equal to 4 plus 1 minus 8 by 2, that will be equal to 1. Therefore, the compound contains only one double bond. And from the UV value lambda max 295 nanometer, as well as a band at a strong band at 1715 cm indicates the presence of the carbonyl group present in the compound. Therefore, option D is incorrect. And the signal at 2.4 delta quartet for 2H and 1.04 delta triplet for 3H shows the presence of CH2, CH3. For CH2, you will get a quartet. Neighboring proton is 3, 3 plus 1, it gives a product. For CH3, it gives a triplet. The neighboring proton is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. And a signal at 2.09 delta indicates the presence of the CH3 group. Therefore, the correct structure is CH3, CO, CH2, CH3, ethyl methyl ketone. The correct answer is C. Question number 50. The compound with a molecular formula C6H6 show two signal each in H-NMR and C13 NMR. The structure of the compound is, here the structure is given. A is benzene and B is bicyclo 2,2,0-hexa-1,4-diene and C is vinyl butyl 1,3-diene and D is 1,5-hexa-diene 3. And first you have to calculate the double bond equivalent. The double bond equivalent will be equal to 6 plus 1 minus 6 by 2, that will be equal to 4. It explains the two important key points. One is the compound should containing 3 double bond plus 1 ring. Therefore, it is a benzene. For benzene in NMR, it gives only one signal. Therefore, A is not the correct answer. The second option is the compound should contain 2 ring and 2 double bond. There is a possibility of the compound B. The compound B gives 2 signal in proton NMR, HNMR and 2 signal and C13 NMR. Therefore, the compound B is the correct answer for the question 15. Correct answer is B.